They said this is a fire drill. Yeah. It is a fire drill. That's. Oh my God! Happy I know those names. Janae can be that skinny. Yeah.
Surprise!
What happened? Happy birthday to you. You know that Star Trek teleporter thing? I'm just like, oh, a sign! I know those feet! I was like, she's not texting me today, and it's driving me crazy. I'm like, oh, but she's working. You were working, you liar!
Did we sneak it up on you?
You did this? Hi, Janae, welcome here. Did you go get her? Because I'm all, Dad didn't say hi to me when he drove by. And Mom's like, he's got stuff to do.
Well, I did have stuff to do.
Marley and Papa went to
This is the first time you'll be here for my birthday. Okay, thank you guys. You may move on now. When did you guys do this? Did you know?
We got you. We got you.
Thank you guys. Oh my God.
And she doesn't have to go home tomorrow.
When does she have to go home?
Not for, she'll be here a week and a half.
Oh my God. You will?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. My house isn't all the way clean, but you clean most of it. He was like, oh, I didn't think you'd want to clean for your party. And I came home and the house was clean. I was like, yay, this is so nice. You were clean because Janae. I still can't, I can't believe because like I texted her this morning and I'm like, she's not texting me back. What's going on? And then I was like, oh yeah, she's working. She's like, I'm gonna be working in this warehouse and there's no service.
I told her this morning, I've been texting her all day, and I said, Janae, because you and I said, what's Jenny gonna think when Janae doesn't text her back? And so I said, Janae, what's Jenny gonna do?
She's like, I start work with Sam tomorrow. You're a liar. She's terrible at lying. And she did.
I'm like, she's gonna see through it. She's gonna know.
I know. I was thinking, oh, I hope we can keep this secret.
I know. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Can I go home now? I can't believe you're here. Oh my gosh. I'm like, what's happening? And then you did the all page, can everyone please come to the kitchen? I'm all, we're all getting fired, guys. And they're like,
And then you came in and saw the sign.
yeah, oh, why are they celebrating her birthday today? That's weird. Okay, and then I'm like, oh, who's wielding that? Those boots. I know those boots. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh my God. Oh my Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Oh my
That's why
god.
I've been avoiding Skype. I'm like, she's gonna think I'm a terrible friend because I've not been
I
wanting to
know. I'm
Skype.
like, she needs to Skype me because you thought you
I'm like, my face will give it away.
She'll know I'm gonna lie about it. I'm all, I miss you.
I was like, Monday, I was like, okay, I gotta go, bye.
I know, because I'm all, I really want to Skype with you and tell you my traumatic getting stuck in the fence story. She's all, Errol's coming over, so it can only be a minute.
Well, and you and Sebastian and I have been talking, and you had said, like, we'd already made her reservations. I think I made them that day, and Jenny's going, I miss
I
Janae
just
so
really
much.
want
I've never had a birthday where Janae's
She's
birthday
never been here for my
And
birthday.
I'm thinking in my mind, she's coming by. Wasn't I a good one?
I did so good.
Janae, I'd hug you, but I'm really sick.
See, I can't do it. I can't do it.
Yeah, you don't
Air hugs.
That's a cute shirt.
Oh, thank you.
I'm glad you know she's here. She's here. Malcolm Janae's here.
And it was so good that we were able to work with her work. And I was so excited.
I know. I thought you had work. Because Debbie yesterday was like, why don't you get yourself a birthday present and just fly Janae here for your birthday? And I said, I would, but she's working at Disney.
Yes, I lied. Passed.
So you
Sam
don't
helped
have
me.
a job?
Sam helped me. She was like, tell her that we're working in a costume house and there's no reception. And I was like, good one.
I know. I'm excited too. Why is your belly wet? Ew.
Been outside, probably.
Yeah, he was outside.
I can't believe you're here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Janae's here. I finally came to meet you up.
Yeah.
And we didn't tell anybody because we
didn't want them to
didn't
get
want
out.
anybody to get. So we told Aunt Deb knew, and of course Sebastian and Daddy, but we didn't tell the boys.
Oh my
Or
God.
we didn't tell anybody, and Joy knew, but we didn't tell because we thought, was it? And then I told Hunter when we come here today, I said, Hunter, when you come today, and if Amira asks where Papa is, tell him, I don't know, Mama just picked me up.
I know, because I'm like, why isn't he going home? Papa's appointment is taking a really long time. But no, it didn't connect in any way.
My appointment was delayed in Portland.
I know, I was like, that's at the doctor's appointment for the whole day. I had not even one tiny clue. You did
Well,
so
you
good.
came in my office day before yesterday, and her itinerary was on my screen.
Oh, I didn't look,
And I thought, and then when I thought, oh my gosh, oh, I hope and
But you really have to
And
study.
this is why you brought the camera, you liar! You know, I was gonna, at your birthday party, I'm gonna get everyone to say a happy birthday message to you. That's why I need to charge it today. You're a liar, and I had no idea. Either you guys are getting way better at this, or I'm
You're just
getting
like-
worse.
I know your mom goes, do you think she suspects anything? I go, I don't think so.
Why would I suspect that? I'm like, Janae's busy and has a life and is in California. Oh my God!
the only thing is you have to take her back to the airport at 5 a.m. on the next, not
I
this
don't
coming
care.
Sunday, but
I
the
can
next
do
Sunday.
that.
But I figured, and Janae goes,
I don't
will
worry.
somebody not mind taking me that early? I said, I'm positive
I don't
no one will
worry.
mind taking you that early.
We might just accidentally sleep in though, and then she'll miss her flight, and she'll have to live here. I was just thinking, I have to go tell Janae about this. Like whenever something happens, I'm all, I have to tell Janae. I have to text
No,
her.
last night I'm at my parents' lies. And I want to keep telling you things. I'm like, she doesn't know I'm at my parents.
Oh.
Because I didn't want her to think anything.
You were acting weird yesterday.
Now that you put.
Are you okay? You're not texting me very much. I think you didn't want to.
Because I was like driving and I was like so.
She's like, no, I'm just watching TV. And I'm like, okay, as long as you're not mad about something or you're not sad or something. She's all, nope, just watching TV. Why?
didn't ask her, what are you watching? Then she
I
go,
would
I would have been like, those
But
scenes.
that's what she's been watching. Oh, you're such a liar.
Yay! See, I told you you'd have another guest at your party. I said there'll be about 30.
About 25, 26.
That's what I said.
I'm like, oh, okay.
And then she said maybe 30. And did I tell you everything will be okay? She said, I just wish Janae was here for my
Well,
birthday.
she's never been to my birthday.
Just trust me. And I didn't say it, but I said, just trust me.
It's too hard, Marley.
I'm
I can't forget it. That one's too hard.
The lies were getting to me. I was like, I can't keep up the charade much
You would be the
longer.
worst spy ever. You're like, it's me, no, I can't. It's just eating my soul. Do you want to see my office? Yes. Can I have my birthday sign?
That's your birthday sign, Daddy, and I made it
It's
last
my
night.
birthday and Janae's here. And this is my son. Okay, come see my office.
Okay.